Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to link and verify your debit card on Robinhood, step by step. Whether you are funding your account or setting up faster transfers, verifying your card is quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First, open the Robinhood app and log into your account. Now, tap the person icon at the bottom right and open your account. If you are on the web, click the menu icon in the top right instead. From the account screen, tap Transfer. Then select Linked Account and tap Add Account. Choose Debit Card when prompted. Now type in your debit card information, card number, expiration date, security code and billing zip code. Once done, tap Link Card. Robinhood will now begin the verification process. To verify your card, Robinhood will temporarily charge 1.95 to your bank. Don't worry, this charge is refunded automatically after verification. Check your bank statement in a few minutes. Look for the charge labeled RH followed by a 6-digit code. Once you see it, copy that code. Go back to the Robinhood app and tap Continue to finish verification. Paste or type in the 6-digit code you found, then tap Confirm. You will get a confirmation message saying your debit card is successfully verified and ready to use. And that's it. Your debit card is now linked to Robinhood. Now you are all set for fast and easy transfers. If you found this video helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more guides just like this.